Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Radiator Coolant Overflow Expansion Tank Kit. This Radiator Coolant Overflow Expansion Tank Kit works on various BMW cars and trucks from 1999 to 2011. Some specific models include the 2001 to 2005 BMW 320i, 2001 to 2005 325xi, 2001 to 2006 330ci, and the 2004 to 2011 X3 2.5 liter. For a full list, please see below. What your overflow expansion tank does is it captures the discharge coolant from your cooling system. As your vehicle warms up and gets hot, the coolant expands through the radiator. Then, once the vehicle cools down, excess fluid will flow out, being captured here in this tank. Because of their original design, some BMW owners needed to replace their expansion tank kits early because their original was known to crack, causing a lack of pressure or leaking, which would lead to your vehicle overheating. While this overflow expansion tank kit is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as this is a direct bolt-on part, thanks to the OEM design and, of course, the mounting locations. However, this kit comes with a new pressure sensor and high pressure cap. It was also redesigned with stronger, robust plastic meant for a longer life. Installation of an overflow expansion tank can be a job you do yourself. Just make sure your vehicle is cool to the touch, and if there is coolant in your old tank, drain it safely, as those chemicals are hazardous. If you have any questions about this replacement radiator coolant overflow expansion tank kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.